How you can recover your Facebook password without access to your email or phone number. 4. Open your preferred web browser and type in no password, no email, Facebook account. Then click on the first link, which says recover your account if you can't access the email or mobile number. Scroll down and tap on Login Troubleshooting Tips. Here, read the articles, then scroll down, then tap on if you're having trouble finding your account. Again, scroll down, read all these articles, it might help. Read all these articles, it might help. If not, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Click on the forgotten account link below the password field. On find your account. Now, Facebook will prompt you to enter your email or phone number to search for your account. Since we don't have access to those, try entering your name or possibly a friend's profile name you're connected to on Facebook, then click on search. If your account appears, you normally see recovery options via email or phone. Since those aren't options for us, look for and click on no longer have access to these at the bottom of the list. Next, Facebook may offer you the option to reach out to your trusted contacts. These are friends you've previously chosen as trusted contacts to help you regain access to your account. If you've set this up, then you may get your account very easily. If the trusted contacts option isn't available or feasible, look for a link or button that suggests an alternative and that wraps on our guide on how to recover your Facebook password without access to your email or phone number.